Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest reviews and recommendations on top-notch products. Today, we've got something really exciting to dive into: the best sensory water beads toy for kids 6-pack. If you're looking for the ultimate sensory experience for your little ones, you're in for a treat. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews.
Alright, let's jump right into it.
First off, let's talk about what makes this sensory water beads toy set truly stand out. Packed with vibrant colors and endless tactile exploration, these water beads are not just any ordinary toy. They're a gateway to a world of sensory delight for kids of all ages. Inside this 6-pack set, you'll find an array of sensory treasures, including the mesmerizing liquid motion timer, the squishy grape ball, and the adorable mochi squishy. Each item is carefully designed to engage multiple senses and provide hours of entertainment. One of the things I love most about this set is its versatility. Whether your child needs a calming tool for relaxation or a fun activity to stimulate their senses, there's something here for everyone. Plus, with a variety of textures and shapes to explore, kids can enhance their sensory development while having a blast. Now, let's talk about the benefits of incorporating sensory play into your child's routine. Not only does it provide a fun way to learn and explore, but it also helps improve concentration, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote overall well-being. By engaging in sensory activities like playing with these water beads toys, kids can enhance their fine motor skills, boost creativity, and build confidence in a supportive and enjoyable environment. With thousands of satisfied customers raving about its quality and entertainment value, it's no wonder this 6-pack set has become a favorite among parents and children alike. And there you have it, folks. The best sensory water beads toy for kids 6-pack is a game-changer when it comes to sensory play. If you're ready to ignite your child's imagination and provide them with hours of fun-filled exploration, be sure to grab your set today.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to leave a like and comment below letting us know your thoughts, and until next time, happy exploring!